Welcome to our automation test scenario talks. Previously, we talked about Selenium, Cypress. Today, we'll start to introduce Playwright. End-to-end testing for modern web application. Cross-browser, cross-platform, cross-language test mobile web. What is Playwright? An open-source end-to-end automation framework developed by Microsoft. Clean features, cross-browser testing, multiple language support, auto-wait, rich locates, headless and head model, API testing, mobile emulation. Compared to Cypress, Selenium, faster execution, better out-of-the-box support for modern web applications, unified testing feature. Playwright is a Node.js-based end-to-end testing framework created by Microsoft to automate the modern web application. Support Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, all from the single API. Language binding: JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, C#. Application and test, front-end, REST API, and even mobile emulation support. In future of the Playwright, cross-browser testing. Single test run on Chrome, Firefox, and WebKit without change. Mobile emulation. Stimulate mobile device like iPhone 12 or Pixel 5. Auto-waiting. Automatically waits for the elements to be actionable, reduces the flakiness. Built-in test runner. Come with its own runner. Powerful location. Support get by route, get by text, locate, and shared domain interaction. Multiple language officially support JS, TS, Python, Java, and .NET. Authentic persistence. Save login state to avoid repeated login. Network control, intercept, mock, and validates API call. Screenshot video track, capture on file for debugging, for integrate. Difference Playwright vs Selenium vs Cypress. We can see here is the future, this the future compare. Here is the Playwright, Selenium, Cypress. Create Microsoft. Here is a W3 standards, Cypress. Language: JS, TS, Python, Java, C#. JS, Java, Python, C#, Ruby, and JavaScript and TypeScript. Browser: Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, all the browser. And here is also like the Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Electron. Parallel execution built-in, neither text ledge and JUnit and Grand. need a third-party plugin. Architecture run out of the process with the browser. Use the WebDriver protocol in the browser execution. Auto wait. Yeah, this have the auto wait. This need manually coding. And here Cypress is yes. Standard DOM for support, limited for support. Mobile emulation built-in. Cron dev tool, partial. API tester, native request API, need REST assured or others built-in. Test flag list, no, high, no and middle. Setup complexity, simple, complex, simple. Headless model, yes, yes, yes. And CI/CD integration, yes, yes for both for 3. Use case guide. Scenarios recommended tool, cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Recommended Playwright. Enterprise-wide testing with larger legacy system. Cypress. Selenium. Component UI testing for the modern JavaScript framework uses Cypress. Accessibility test, visual regression test. 3 can use the Playwright, Cypress, also Selenium. API UI test, Cherry, Playwright, and Cypress. I will show step to set up recording, run test, view reports. First prerequisite, need to install Node.js npm. Then I open the command line and type command here. Yeah, I just copy and type. Okay, make this folder. So I cd this folder. First npm initial. Okay, this is initial. Then install Playwright text. Okay, so you see here is added the full package and everything is okay and pass. And here is install Playwright. So under the demo folder 2, I will add one folder is tests. This is store like the script you record or write the test script here. And also I get the Playwright config.js file. This file is in this folder. Then is like this one, yeah, just I can put the test, I record the test and get this test and this test. Also this is here. And package.json is after install we get the package.json. This is after install Node module is come up. Then I will copy this command. You see here is a Playwright. This is run Playwright. Use the CodeGen, and here is against the WebDriver, web address. When you want to test, you can get any you want to test. Just put here. For me, is put this here. So you see here is open web, and also this is a record. So when I do any step is recorded here. So let me show you here. You see here, I go to the website, then I go to the golf. You see here is a wait and get golf. And here I type something and search. You see here is a tag golf, and the search you see is just one return. I click this, and then I select country and list country related golf course. So here is like I click like United States country. So you see filter. You see here is all the United States golf is listed here. Here is name, here is address and the description and something. And then I record each step. You see here is read each step, and I stop it. And you can check here. I want the Node.js library or something, or just get this one, and then I copy and get a text editor, put there and save as spec.js. Then I close this one, and how can I run the test? Yeah, I record and save as this file in this one, yeah, tests. So how to can run this test? I can run this test. After run, I can use this command to open reports. No test failed. Okay, I check what happened. Okay, I check the step. Yeah, we missed some steps, so I redo again and create a Playwright demo, and then you see I can run it. Okay, run the script. Yeah, after run is open. Yeah, you can use this one, open it. Use yeah, you see it's open, and we test the 3 browser, web browser. You see here it's just Firefox is a fail, and the other thing is a pass. Yeah, so today I just simply introduce Playwright, how to set up, and also introduce what is Playwright, what the key future and compare with Cypress and also Selenium. This is just a start, so thank you for your watching. If you want to follow us update, please subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.